Today, I'm going to show you what castor oil is good for and share the top uses that you probably didn't know about, all backed by traditional wisdom and modern science. From deep skin hydration to hair growth, reducing dark circles, soothing joint pain, and even detoxing your body, castor oil is a multitasking miracle. So stick around till the end because I'll also reveal some pro tips and lesser-known uses that will take your self-care routine to the next level. Let's dive right in. Castor oil is packed with fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which gives it unique anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, and antimicrobial properties. For centuries, castor oil has been used in traditional medicine, skin care, and hair care all over the world. And today, science is confirming many of these benefits. 1. Deep hydration for skin. After cleansing and toning your face at night, apply 2 to 3 drops of castor oil onto slightly damp skin. Warm the oil between your fingers, then gently massage it in circular motions. Focus on areas prone to fine lines, such as your forehead, under your eyes, and around your lips. For extra hydration, mix a drop of castor oil into your regular night cream. Results: with consistent use over 3 to 4 weeks, your skin will look smoother, plumper, and have a natural glow. Fine lines and wrinkles will appear softened and dry. Flaky patches will disappear. 2. Hair growth and strengthening. How to use for hair growth. Warm about a teaspoon of castor oil slightly. Massage it directly into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes using circular motions. Cover your head with a shower cap and leave it on overnight. Wash thoroughly with a gentle shampoo in the morning. Repeat twice a week for best results. 3. Bonus for eyebrows and eyelashes. Using a clean mascara wand or cotton swab, apply a small amount to your eyebrows and eyelashes before bed. This helps make them fuller and thicker. Results: noticeably thicker, shinier, and stronger hair after 3 to 4 weeks of regular use. Fuller eyebrows and longer eyelashes in about a month. 4. Dark circles and eye puffiness remedy. How to use. Take a pinhead-sized amount of castor oil on your fingertip. Gently pat, do not rub, under your eyes before bedtime. Use sparingly. Too much oil can cause puffiness due to overhydration. If you're loving these castor oil tips so far, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more natural health and beauty secrets. Also, comment below. Which castor oil use are you excited to try first? I'd love to know. 5. Natural digestion and detox aid. How to use. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil into warm water or juice. Drink it in the evening on an empty stomach. Use only occasionally and with caution, as it's a powerful laxative. Gentler alternative, topical. Warm castor oil and apply it on your abdomen. Cover with a warm towel or heating pad. Lie down for 30 minutes to relieve bloating and constipation. Results: improved digestion and reduced constipation. Enhanced gut health and toxin elimination. 6. Heals cracked heels and dry feet. How to use. Apply a generous amount of castor oil to clean feet before going to bed. Put on cotton socks to lock in the moisture. Leave overnight. Results: by morning, feet feel soft, smooth, and deeply moisturized. Regular use heals cracks and prevents future dryness. 7. Soothes joint pain and inflammation. How to use. Warm castor oil and massage it onto the painful joint. Wrap the area with a towel and apply a heating pad for 30 minutes. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. Results: gradual reduction in joint pain and stiffness. Improved mobility and comfort. 8. Natural makeup remover and lash conditioner. How to use. Soak a cotton pad with a few drops of castor oil. Gently wipe away makeup at the end of the day. It also nourishes lashes as it cleans. Results: clean, hydrated skin without dryness or irritation. Stronger, healthier lashes over time. 9. Fades, stretch marks, and scars. How to use. Massage castor oil directly on stretch marks or scars twice daily. Use consistent pressure and circular motions. What to expect. Skin becomes more elastic, and marks appear less visible within 4 to 6 weeks. 10. Boosts immune health and wound healing. small amount on minor cuts or insect bites. Use as directed to keep the area clean and promote healing. What to expect? Faster healing and reduced risk of infection. Pro tips and important things to know. 1. Always do a patch test before applying castor oil widely to avoid allergic reactions. 2. Use cold-pressed, pure castor oil for the best results. 3. If using orally, consult a healthcare professional first. 4. Store castor oil in a cool, dark place to preserve its benefits. 5. Avoid contact with eyes. If irritation occurs, rinse immediately. Castor oil is truly one of nature's most versatile gifts. Whether you want to boost hair growth, deeply hydrate your skin, soothe joint pain, or improve digestion, this single oil does it all. With regular use and a little patience, you can enjoy healthier skin, thicker hair, and better overall wellness. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming videos packed with natural health tips.